Day Trading Strategies, Beginner's Guide to Trading Stock, Binary, Futures, and ETF Options. Written by Odin Velez. Narrated by Macken Murphy. Copyright information. Copyright 2019 by Odin Velez. All rights reserved. This ebook is provided with the sole purpose of providing relevant information on a specific topic for which every reasonable effort has been made to ensure that it is both accurate and reasonable. Nevertheless, by purchasing this ebook, you consent to the fact that the author, as well as the publisher, are in no way experts on the topics herein, regardless of any claims as such that may be made within. As such, any suggestions or recommendations that are made within are done so purely for entertainment value. It is recommended that you always consult a professional prior to undertaking any of the advice or techniques discussed within. This is a legally binding declaration that is considered both valid and fair by both the Committee of Publishers Association and the American Bar Association, and should be considered as legally binding within the United States. The reproduction, transmission, and duplication of any of the content found herein, including any specific or extended information, will be done as an illegal act, regardless of the end form the information ultimately takes. This includes copied versions of the work, both physical, digital, and audio, unless express consent of the publisher is provided beforehand. Any additional rights reserved. Furthermore, the information that can be found within the pages described forthwith shall be considered both accurate and truthful when it comes to recounting of facts. As such, any use, correct or incorrect, of the provided information will render the publisher free of responsibility as to the actions taken outside of their direct purview. Regardless, there are 0 scenarios where the original author or the publisher can be deemed liable in any fashion for any damages or hardships that may result from any of the information discussed herein. Additionally, the information in the following pages is intended only for informational purposes, and should thus be thought of as universal. As befitting its nature, it is presented without assurance regarding its prolonged validity or interim quality. Trademarks that are mentioned are done without written consent and can in no way be considered an endorsement from the trademark holder. Created with vellum. Introduction. Congratulations on downloading Day Trading Strategies, Beginner's Guide to Trading Stock, Binary, Futures, and ETF Options, and thank you for doing so.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?